Hey guys, it's Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Ram, and now we buy your Ram. This is a 2016 Ram 2500 Laramie, so let's take a look. Up at the front of this one, you have your color match bumper and your color match grille, park sensors all along the front of your bumper, as well as your fog lights and your black tow hooks. You have your black Ram badging. And then coming underneath the hood, you have your 6.7 liter Cummins. Along the side, you're going to have 20-inch fuel rims. You have your flip-up tow mirrors. You also have proximity entry on either side and your cab length running boards. Coming into the back, you have your color match bumpers. They do have the built-in park sensors. You're set up for towing with your 4 and 7 pin wiring and your hitch receiver. Black badging again here on the back, and then you have your backup camera. This one has a spray and bed liner, and it comes with your 5th wheel prep. And now we're going to check out the front. Up at the front of this one, you have your black leather seats, and they are heated and cooled. You also have a heated steering wheel on this one. You have lots of space. You have 2 center consoles. You're also going to have a CD player right in the center console. You have some more storage up front here with your 2 cup holders, and then your 2 glove boxes as well. This one has your touchscreen. It does come equipped with your navigation. You have your heated seat and cooled seat controls, as well as your heated steering wheel control, and then you have the option to see your backup camera. Coming down a little bit lower, you're going to have your dual climate control. This one also has your built-in trailer brake, your tow haul mode, your exhaust brake. You can turn on and off your park sensors, and then all of your heated seats and heated wheel controls down here. 4-wheel drive on this one. You're going to have your power folding tow mirrors, so it's just a click of a button. They will fold in and out. On the steering wheel itself, you're going to have your Bluetooth as well as your cruise control. And then on the back side of the steering wheel, you have buttons to switch your songs, switch your radio station, or turn up and down the volume of your music. Coming up here, you have your universal garage door opener. You're also going to have the control for your power sliding rear window, and then you have your sunroof. So now we're going to check out the back of this one. You're going to have your heated rear seats. You also have your armrest in this one, folds down. It's got 2 cup holders in it, 2 more cup holders down here, and then you're also going to have some storage in the back of your seat pockets and underneath your floor mats. Your seats do flip up. You're going to have a sub on that side and then additional storage under this. This does fold out, and it has plastic feet so that it's really stable. To make this truck yours, you can click the link below for pictures and pricing, or you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.